Good morning everyone. This is Monishka Kaushal from Standard 12th. Today I am going to tell you about a very interesting story, a chain reaction and a replication game. So let's start. Once upon a time inside a microscopic city known as Celotopia lived billions of tiny workers called enzymes. Their world was ruled by a long majestic ladder, the DNA, the blueprint of life itself. The DNA wasn't just any molecule, it was library that decide who you are, from your eye colors to how fast your heart beats. But one day, something exciting happened. The replication alert echoed from Celotopia. Attention, it's time to make a new copy of master code. The great DNA double helical started tremble. The double stranded DNA. Let's call them Leah and Lex. Leah smiled. Well, Lex, it's look like time for replication game again. Lex clucked and said, "Do you know the rules? One goes this way and the other that way." Then suddenly, the hero of our story arrived, Helicase, the mighty, unjumping engine. With a dramatic spin, he shouted, "Stand back, everyone! I'm going to break down the hydrogen bond." Then, the double-stranded DNA split into single-stranded, opening up a glowing replication fork. From the other side, a serious and a careful enzyme named DNA polymerase, marked in with a like an perfectness artist with a brush full of nucleotides, looked at Leah and said, "Don't worry, I will copy you base by base, A with T and G with C. No mistake allowed." But polymerase had a challenge. The two-stranded one, the leading strand, was smooth sailing, but the other one, lagging strand, with messy and short pieces called Okazaki fragments. Oof, it's looked like building a road in a traffic jam. Luckily, Ligase, the enzyme with golden glue, arrived to save the day. "Hold on, I will join the fragments. Teamwork, my friend." And with every click and bond, the DNA become whole again. From the other side, Primase, a planar enzyme, stand up with her clipboard and said, "Don't forget about RNA primer. No project work without an foundation." And after the completion of reaction, the double helical DNA, two identical strains were copied. Perfect copy, ready to pass on life codes. In reaction, each and every enzyme had its role, which is very important, like a musician in a grand orchestra in life. Helicase to open the way, polymerase to copy the strand, and ligase to join the fragments, and primers for the starting signal. Somewhere in a biotechnological lab, scientists smiled, watching the dance through her microscopes, and said, "Wow, amazing, the chain reaction goes on live." Leah looked at Lex and said, "We are just in molecules, but we carry the information of every generation, from the first cell to the last one." Because in the end, replication is not just a biological process, it's a story of continuity, rhythm of existence, and the chain reaction that never stops. Thank you.